started.
All right, here it is. Sturdy box, good packaging. Bubble wrap. All right, we got a. Looks like you get Food Lawn plus
Lawn
molasses. Lawn food. Food Lawn, you know, something. Here she is. And all right. Open this thing up. It's got a nice little inscribed things. Hey there, Autonaut. We just wanted to let you know how much we appreciate your support. Awesome. Very sturdy box. We get our instructions. We get our bubble wrap with more instructions. Nope, mounting. Here it is. Sleek. It's got a solar panel on top. It's got its sprayer right here. That's where you plug in the hose. Right here. That's where you put the lawn food. Looks like it has a filter and a plug. Awesome. We have the mounting bracket. And that's it for the unboxing.